I recently discovered the convenience of owning a battery jumper, which can eliminate the need to find a good Samaritan nearby who would be willing to take the time to pull up to your car and let you jumpstart your car off of their car battery. In this video, I'm going to review this GOOLOO brand model GP3000 jump starter and this AstroAI brand model B8 jump starter. Let me first show you how I use the GOOLOO jump starter to jumpstart my car. First, I attach the cables to the battery. As soon as I make the connection, it causes the battery to turn on. I first connect the red cable to the nut on the positive terminal of the battery, and then the black cable to a grounded metal part under the hood. Here's a close-up of how I attach the clamp to the nut on the positive terminal, and how I attach the black clamp to this metal bracket that my car's manual said I should connect to when jump starting. Be sure to check your car's manual to find out where to connect the black cable in your car. The green light on the cable connector shows that the cables are connected correctly, and I let the engine run about a minute or so. Then I disconnect the black cable first, and then the red cable. After successfully jump-starting my car yesterday, I managed to make a trip to the grocery store. Well, my battery failed to maintain its charge overnight, and today it was in worse shape because I couldn't jump-start it right away. When you see this flashing green light, it means that the battery voltage is too low. What you should do then is to press the boost button, and once the green light turns solid, try starting the car within 30 seconds. So now I'm running to the driver's seat. My car battery is dead again. I didn't get to film the successful jump start yesterday because I took the camera with me. So this time the camera is staying put right here. The green light is blinking. I press the boost button. The light turns green. I run to start my car, and now it's clear to me that this battery is no longer rechargeable. So I'm headed to AutoZone to buy a new battery. If you're here because you saw my video in which I jump started my car using a battery jump starter, I'm going to show you the jump starter I used. It's this one, and I bought it from Amazon. I didn't recognize the name, but it was about half the cost of the more recognizable brands, so I decided to try it. The name is hidden underneath this label that says, fully charged before use. When it's not fully charged, it might not work. So far, I've used it 3 times to jumpstart my Cadillac Escalade ESV, and this works really well. Now, I noticed another battery jump starter being sold on Amazon for about half the price of this one. So I decided to get it as a backup. The critical specs for both of these are the same. 3000 amp or peak amperage, 12 volt, up to 9-liter gas engine. But this AstroAI did not work, period. In all fairness, I think it could work with cars with smaller engine. By the way, this was also quite annoying. The cable for the clamps on the AstroAI are quite short. It was barely long enough, so I'm returning the AstroAI.